Welcome! In this video, we will show you how you can prepare for the remote PI planning exercise in your training with just a few clicks. We will cover the following points: how to register for a PI planning training account, how to prepare a simulation for an upcoming training, and clean up after the simulation and preparation for the next one. For PI Planning IO, you and your participants need to install Chrome. Let's open Chrome and go to simulation.piplanning.io. Here you can now register for a remote PI planning training account. Choose the desired name for your account instance. Be aware that you can only use lowercase letters and numbers from 0 to 9. Enter your last and first name. Next, enter your email address. You will always use this email address when logging in. Then set your password. Prove that you're not a robot and click on Sign Up. Once the registration is complete, you will be immediately taken to the login page and receive a confirmation email at the same time. Keep that email so you won't forget the credentials. Now log in with your newly created account. In the trainer cockpit, the system has already created the simulations Alice and Geekbooks by default. We suggest that you delete these two first and then click on Create New Simulation. Now, create a simulation of your choice. There are even additional simulations like Jet Screamer and Drivery. Alice is even available in French. To make it as easy as possible for the participants, we suggest that you only have one simulation here at the time. This way, your participants will always end up in the right simulation. Under organization, we recommend leaving the team names with Team A, Team B, and so on as is. It simplifies the simulation execution and saves time. Now for the actual simulation, please provide the link app.piplanning.io to your participants. For a simplified access to PI Planning IO, all the participants log in with the same credentials. The credentials were provided in the confirmation email. If you can't find that anymore, please navigate in the cockpit to Users to see the email which you can share with the participants. If you can't remember the password, click on the three dots and change the password. We recommend changing it to a simple password, with which your participants can't do anything wrong when typing it. Here's one small thing which you can be aware of during the exercise. When a feature is assigned to a team, it automatically creates pre-made user stories on the team board. So if you assign the feature to another team, it will create the same user stories on their team board as well. In order to clean this up, the team that owned the feature first must manually delete them from the team board one by one. Try not to reassign features in the process of the simulation. We prepared another short video that you can share with your participants prior to the simulation that teaches them everything they need to know to navigate piplanning.io during the simulation. For you, we recommend watching the piplanning.io 101 course under piplanning.io/tutorials, which is only 21 minutes long. That will make you a piplanning.io operation master. After the training, go back to the RT cockpit and delete the simulation or simulations you used in the training. Click again on Create New Simulation. Choose one, and you're already ready for your next training session.